Thank you, sir. Hold on.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today is a great day in the lives of the Oduduwa and Biafra people because it marks the coming together of the two most powerful and productive forces, not only in Nigeria but in the whole of Africa. For too long, the federal government of Nigeria has engaged in divide and rule. But today, that has come to an end. We have to join hands. We have to join forces to disengage from the slavery camp of the Fulani oligarchy. There must be no looking back. This is it. And God will, by the grace, special grace of God, our freedom is guaranteed. And before the end of this year, we look forward to the independent and sovereign state of YòRÀBÁ nation, Oduduwa land, and sovereign and independent Biafra. God be on our side, and God is not in you. Yeah. By the end of this year, we must be free, by all means. By the end of this year, we must be free. We can no longer afford to remain in that slave camp into 2023. God forbid. We have come to the end, and we are making a new beginning. So God bless us all. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Professor Adene. We have heard it's clear. 2023 is not in the records for us. Yeah. 2023 for us is in our own separate countries of Biafra and the YòRÀBÁ nation. And there is no looking back from that. We are not going to be in Nigeria until 2023. No way. Thank you very much.